Yes, families, here we go. We're on the barbecue today. Sister birthday, you don't know anything set, so we have to line up a lovely barbecue for sure. There we go. Oh, look at that. That niceness there. Turn over some of them now. I drum me out the wickedest drum me ever make, you know. You know what I mean? Cook things fast up. Fast. I also got the coconut jerk on it. Fire. Fire real hot, you know. I play with it, you know. So you have to watch the meat as we go along. A fork, yeah, and my original fork. Look how we are, sir. Coconut jerk make it look golden, guys. This is our invention, you know, the coconut jerk. You know. You want a bit of this you can contact with. You can set up something for you, know. Look at that beauty, look at the color on it. Coconut jerk, so the coconut melt, you don't know what things set. And send off a nice coloring. You know? I'll keep your eye on that one, yeah? And that drum me wicked, you know. Me create it, you know. See? Mad. First time using as well, so I will take your time with it. When I move out some of them out of the middle. You see me I say? Make that part to get in strength. You see me? Alright, there we look. Leave them on over the side as we go and blend them in twice. And then we get back at it. What do you have that? Whoa. Out and bad. Oh, pharmacy. Look at that loveliness coming out to the top there. Alright, so best barbecues, man. I think it's you can't buy them one at the shop, you know what I mean? The shop one them not gonna do you any justice, and they will mash up in a few in no time. Yeah? Wouldn't last you a year. By the time you cover it down and have it outside, it rotten down for you, you know what I mean? So I think this is the best invention they have. Listen to it. Can you hear that loveliness inside there? Them wanna drum me quick and wicked, man. Cook your meat well tender and lovely. So what I gotta do after, I gotta try and get chicken from this side, put it over this side, and this side, put over this side. Cause that side is not the hot side. You have to keep one side cool, one side hot. You know what I mean? So that means your barbecue cook proper. You get me I say? You don't get no burn up thing, you see me I say? But yeah, we're on it right now. As guys you see, we're making some videos, some one chip challenge and all these things. But like it, you like and subscribe, you know what I mean? So just give us a little push to get some more video out there as well, you know what I mean? Support the cause. You don't know, guys. So yeah, man, the barbecue a fire, man. It's a fire. You see me I say? Man, I'm not go out with it yet still. Give it a few more minutes and then give it a look. So yes, we're gonna be going in now, guys. Let's go in and see how we're looking inside, yeah? Yeah, how we're looking. Yeah? As you can see, guys, it's not burning or anything like that. You know, so this barbecue keep it quite high off of the fire, you know what I mean? Yeah, cool. As you know. So the aim is just to get this part a little bit brown up, and then we're gonna move it over to the other side, you know, and then make it sweat, because that's how barbecue cook, guys. And I'm a professional, so I can let you know. You see me? Exactly how it is. Listen to the sizzle. Whoa, I love it, I love it. You see me? Let them one are going to brown up just a little bit more. See? Get in there. Then we're going to sweat it off with the other side. So you cook tune to the bone, you get me? After you get it, it drop off in your mouth. Just touch it and it just slide off. Get me? So that part hasn't been over there yet. So listen there. It's kicking, guys. I'll put that one in there, so as soon as I let the oil drop on the fire, it kicks, so we can knock it down back again. Nice. We're on the ball. So going back in again, guys. Now we're gonna switch over the lovely. We're gonna switch over some of the chicken to one side. Yeah. Like these ones, see, look now we can move it to one side. So I'm going to stack them up on here some meanwhile. Yeah. So that's it, you know, you don't need it to cook on the fire. You see me, I say you just need to brown it on the fire and then put it over the other side to sweat. You get me, I say? Take it from me, guys. Get the best barbecue out there. Alright, see? So moving these ones over now. Look at that, your money. Rico. Zimmer. You want what they say, them still, like I say. They're still getting a bit of cook over there. So you need to just move them to the fire part now. And then move them on now over to the side. Right there. So the steam itself gonna cook these ones over there, so. See? Just need to put them over the side now. One I can stay for a little bit more longer. Check the back. Come over there, sir. They move over them one now. Move over these ones. Time for them to get the fire now. Try to turn them one way, guys, so that means you know where you are, you know what I mean? On the fire. Right there. So we got over here. And I can go closer to that side, yeah? Got them parts near here, yeah? So you can put them with this, huh? Move over the one that we need fire. Move them one over here. Next to the leg inside. Yeah? This is my normal thing, this is my fork. Not my normal fork, this. Just so you can turn that one over here now. And look at that. You see, still a sizzle. So now, lock him back. Boom. Going back in again, guys. So, look at that beauty. So we get a different fork now, a stronger fork, yeah? So we need to turn these ones over. Yeah. Caramel, I might have the coconut jerk. Lovely. Because the coconut caramelized on it, you know, guys. You know what I mean? You don't know the chosen one. The chosen one make that sauce there. That's our brand, you know what I mean? Chosen one sauce. We got some one-shot seasoning. So I season it with the one-shot seasoning. Then lick it with the coconut jerk. You see me, David? And look at that. Look at that. You know what I mean? Not know they like it, guys. You look at that. Not know they like it. Give your chicken such a lovely, lovely color on it. You see me, David? You know what I mean? Make sure you don't overdo it. You see me? Look at that, you know. Yeah? So that can't go on. So that's the way it's sweat. Watch this, yeah? So that dripping off, so it's sweating. Dripping, guys. Fire kick. Lock that back down again. Beauty. Peeling up some potato quickly as well. You know. Mother said if you peel some potato while I wait. So we hand it. So families, this is the perks. You know what I mean? And the cooking. I'm doing the jerk. My mother is doing the fried chicken. So she said I should test this, you know what I mean? So let's see what's going on with it. So we test it if it's ready. But I know mommy like chirp fried chicken and all this. Lovely. Wow. Oh my God. The crunch, yeah. I don't care, man. My mom do the best fried chicken in the world. Oh my God. Oh. DRCOOKE, Flavor King. I know what I'm talking about. Ooh. Yeah. Good job. Go back to the drum in a second. Rest that down there a bit. Ooh. And check out the drum again. Ooh. I said, guys, the timing have to be right when you're cooking, you know? You know your timing. Correct. Look at that. Beauty. So as you know, guys, the middle is always the hottest, yeah? Most definitely. So you just take time, move the chicken them to the side, licker. Yeah? As them brown up. And look how soft it is. So soft, man. So licker, we just clear the middle out. Put this back. So I can't stay there, sir. I'll leave the middle, you know what I mean? A little bit vacant. Yeah? Like that, leave a hole inside there. And look at that beauty what it's sweating down, beautiful. And then I close that back. And then back to the chicken. I finished peeling the potato. Hey! Yeah. Beauty. Yes, family, so we're back at it again. Having another check at the drum. Ooh. My say that fried chicken, the man is wicked. And the fried chicken nice, you're freak. You know what I mean? So like, look at that now, guys. You see that now? We need to move it to the side. You know what I mean? Over to the other side where the sweating are going. Look at that. Can't get no better than that, you know, man. Then the sweating side, put it to the sweat side. Put that to that side there. So these ones at the corner, always them just sweat, you know what I mean? So you don't get the brown on it yet. So I move that in the middle liquor to get some brown on it. And then move them one to this, huh? And then one here, move to that space here. See? Golden. So this is top class, you know, guys, you know what I mean? If you do a thing like this, never go wrong, you hear that? See? Getting the color on it. I remember, guys, it's not fire that cook chicken. It is steam after. It's dripping. As you may say, if you use fire, you can burn it up and you don't have no flavor. So you still want them seasoned to cook like nicely and leak into it. Look at that bubbling. See me I say? That's the kind of thing you want to happen. So that's the coconut jerk on there, guys. As we say. See that? So that deserves sweating corner. See me? Make it to the sweating corner now. Yeah? Him can make it to the sweating corner as well. I'm nearly there. Turn him over on one side. Cause you can feel the weight in it as well, you know, guys. You can feel that you have a weight to it, you know. You see me? Fire still ready, can cook on that all day. You see me? Got the barbecue drums as well. As I say, I made this one here brand new. You know, just the other there. You see the middle, look, see the middle? A truck going through there. You find the cooler spot them and put the chicken. You don't want to burn up your thing, you see me? So we don't know. So we eat that now, guys, yeah? Top class, all finished. So next thing is gonna be on the plates. You see me I say? There's a party going on today, and this is what's gonna be landed. Landed. Yes, yes, yes. DRCOOKE, Flavor King, out.